free success kit worth $100. Log on now to schoolanytime.com. That's schoolanytime.com. Schoolanytime.com.
You doing a robot?
I want to be May. My goal of becoming a ladies' man hit a roadblock when my coaches had to leave town for 2 weeks.
Looking forward to Scott when we get back.
And while my mentors worked hard to keep my training on track,
It's not our responsibility to get your dates.